So if you want to import out bookmarks from other browsers, then there's an easy way to do so in Google Chrome. So what you have to do is you can go on to the top right and click on the three-dot button. And then once you do that, you can go to Bookmarks. And then once you do that, you can click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. So once you do that, you can see that this is what pops up, the quick import option. So if you're just trying to import out bookmarks from other browsers, then you can click on this and then the installed browsers will be listed right here, the popular ones anyways. And then what you can do is you can go around and select the browser you want to import from. So in my case, let's say I want to import out Microsoft Internet Explorer bookmarks. I want to import out everything, and you can see that depending on the browser, you can import out different things. So in case of Microsoft Edge, you can only import out favorites and bookmarks. In case of Firefox, you can import out browsing history, favorite bookmarks, say password, auto form fill, and in case of Internet Explorer, you can import out search engines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on import, and what happens is that immediately all the bookmarks are imported, as you can see. So there's Dell Asia, there's Microsoft Sway, there's Trello, website visiting, and so forth, as you can see. So you can just go around and delete them, of course, as if this was the own bookmarks. I'm just going to go around and delete these bookmarks right here. And once I go around, and then if I were to bookmark this, now what happens is that now there are native bookmarks to Google Chrome as well. So if I were to go around into bookmark and go to import bookmarks and settings, I can go around into Microsoft Internet Explorer and click on import, and now you have a separate folder instead of keeping everything in the bookmark bar itself. So if I were to click on import from IE, you can see that now the bookmarks from the Internet Explorer has been turned into a folder, and inside it you can see the bookmarks just like that. And that is how you can use the quick import option to import out bookmarks from other browsers. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.